I was rich. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimberly with the Q, the Bougie Boss Nurse. If you are new here and you like my content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and turn the notification bell on so you'll know when I upload videos. To all my faithful Bougie Boss members, boss babes, boss men, I salute you and thank you for rocking with your girl. So as you guys can tell by the title of my video, today I'll be doing an unboxing of my very first Teddy Blake luxury handbag. I'll give you my honest opinions on what I think about it, and things like that. So let's get right into it. So this is how the bag comes packaged. Very nice and chic. I love it. White and black, Teddy Blake, New York. That's how it comes. And you just open the top as such. Nice. And it says Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. It's very nice. And it says discover your Teddy Blake handbag. I'm a sucker for nice packaging, guys. So let's open it up. So, and it comes in this very nice dust bag. Very nice. So let's open it and see. And I decided to get the Ava 9-inch. Isn't she cute? With the gold hardware. She is small, she's petite. So many people know that I am a big time Louis Vuitton girl. I am a Louis Vuitton fanatic. But it is not true that that's all I carry. I can carry anything and I can rock it and make it look good because it doesn't matter the name. It's because I'm rocking it. And when I rock it well. So, that is not true that I only carry high-end things. No. So, I am also, if you know me, know that I love humongous bags. But I am now getting into small bags. So I got the 9-inch Ava and she is beautiful. Look at her. It has the gold hardware, Teddy Blake name engraved in the leather. And this is, I think it's grain calf leather. So cute and petite. And the way you open it is, before I open it, the back of the bag has a zipper that you can store things in if you like. I probably won't put nothing back there but like paper or coins, things like that, but you can zip it and the zipper goes smoothly, very nice. I can tell by handling the bag just right now that this is a quality luxury handbag. Luxury does not mean it has to cost $1 million or a couple of $1,000s. It can be, this bag was very affordable and it didn't cost an arm and a leg, and I actually, it's so cute. So you open it by pulling the tabs up. Okay. It gives like a Birkin type look, but it ain't Birkin money. Even if I was rich, I don't think I'll purchase a Birkin, a $10,000 bag. My boyfriend like, yeah, you would do it. I don't think I would. It's just a lot of money for a bag. But this is my Birkin. Teddy Blake Birkin. But it's so cute. So you open the bag. Okay, so you see the gold hardware here. You flip this up. Oh, and it has a button there too that it attaches to. Awesome, cool. So I'm gonna take out the paper. Oh. And it comes with a detachable strap, which is also a plus if you want to do a crossbody look, if you're going somewhere, picnic, or you don't want to hold it in your hand. Okay, Teddy Blake. Very nice quality. I like the structure of the bag. Extremely nice. This is the inside. I can put some things in there. Okay, and it has a little zip pocket in the inside. You can put things in, and it also has another pocket here. So 2 pockets in the inside. Real suede on the inside, the same color of the bag. Very, very nice. This is very chic and classy. This is so me. Okay. I like it. So then to close it back, I would just put these back. This is super cute. I'm so pleased. So cute. And then let's take a look at the strap. Let's see. Oh, I'm about to drop stuff because this is in there. How cute. Now this is a lock with the Teddy Blake engraved in it. How freaking cute. This is so cute. Now me personally, I don't know where this is supposed to go on the bag, but me personally, I probably won't even use that part. But here's the strap, and it's adjustable. And then it has, you can move it up some more. So let's see, I guess you will attach it. Technical difficulties. There we go. Super cute. Super cute. Now me personally, I probably will hardly ever wear this strap, but I'll definitely carry it like this. This is so cute. So Teddy Blake, you get a thumbs up from me. Very well structured bag, and by me being a handbag fanatic and a person who does own a lot of luxury items, this is it. And it doesn't cost what I normally pay for a handbag. This is so cute. This is super cute. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments what you think. Do you like it? No? And I'm probably sure you've probably seen millions of videos before mine with this unboxing. This is my unboxing and what I think about it. And even this is so cute on the hardware up here. Teddy Blake has his name engraved. I love it. And I think I'm going to make another purchase soon. They also come in a 6-inch and an 11-inch in this style. This is the Ava, and I'll have it across the screen. But I think I'm going to purchase probably another 9-inch. I'll see what I can fit in here. Maybe I'll do a what's in my bag video as well, and go from there. But I think I'll purchase another one, and it'll be probably in the croc material. But I'm in love. This bag is super, super, super cute. I love it. So with that being said, this is my first unboxing video, and it is of the Blake bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed my short video on how I feel about my purchase and my review on it. So like I said, if you like my content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Bougie Boss Nurse. I'll put it here on the screen as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.